Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some incredible platforms that you can use to generate you an extra $100 a day in passive income. So if you're out there thinking you want to make passive income online but you're not sure what websites, what platforms to look into, then you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to flip over to my computer screen right now and just screen share all those incredible platforms that you guys can start tapping into right now and generating you an extra $100 a day. So the first platform I'm going to be talking about, the first source of passive income, is Udemy. Now Udemy is an online course platform where different creators and different teachers and lecturers come online and they upload their content for sale. Okay, Udemy is accessible by millions and millions of people worldwide, which means that it's a lot of free traffic for you. So if you have a skill out there, whatever you're good at, something that people compliment you for, something that maybe you studied at university or college, something you're experienced in and you feel others could benefit from, you could package that into an online course very easily and upload it onto Udemy. If you go on Udemy, guys, you can see the category section here. It's got all types of different categories, from development to business, finance and accounting, IT and software. And we just click that, okay, and lifestyle, marketing, design, health and fitness. Like, this course is around so many different niches, guys. So let's look at personal development courses, for example. So what you notice here is there's a lot of different people that are selling courses around this niche. Okay, so it's really just a matter of picking a niche that you're skilled in, you're experienced in, and maybe you've helped someone achieve some results around. Okay, what do people compliment you for? What do people call you up for, right? Are you good at planning, for example? Are you good at makeup, hair? You can literally create an online course around anything you're good at. Don't underestimate your skills, guys. Like, if you go on Udemy, you realize that people are teaching you around so many different niches out there. There's another website called masterclass.com where celebrities are actually teaching people how to do things. If you think that your skills are not valuable, let me just show you guys what celebrities are doing. Okay, celebrities are actually tapping into this platform right now. They are out here teaching people what they know and what they're good at, and it's just an indication that the online learning industry, guys, is a billion-dollar one right now, and it's only anticipated to go up from here. So this is a great way to make money online, guys, using skills that you already have. So you can see right here the celebrities literally teaching people how to do different things. Serena Williams, she's teaching people how to play tennis. Okay, so if you're sitting there thinking, I don't think what I know is good for anyone, is beneficial to anyone, then you're actually talking yourself out of your success. Okay, tap into your skill. Someone out there is dying to learn from you. Okay, and with platforms like Udemy, you can easily upload your courses here, guys, and start making you some money. Again, like I said, you can get a lot of free traffic on this platform, and if you create a course around a topic or niche that people are interested in, then you will get some amazing results. Okay, another platform that can generate you some passive income is none other than YouTube, where you're watching this video right now, guys. People are making a killing on YouTube. YouTube pays better than real estate right now, believe it or not. Okay, YouTube is the new real estate. Okay, the beauty about YouTube is the fact that you create a video one time and you can start making money from that video over and over and over again. You create a video one time, put it out there on YouTube, and YouTube starts to pay you every time your video gets a view. It's that simple, guys. It's honestly that simple. So when your channel gets monetized, you will be able to activate the monetization option and feature in your videos. And every time people watch your videos and those adverts pop up, you are earning some money. Okay, so it's a matter of just creating the video, putting it out there, and when people watch your videos and those views go up, you are getting paid by YouTube. That's great passive income, guys. You're literally making money whilst you sleep. Another platform I highly recommend for you guys who are looking into dropshipping is to look into dropshipfinds.com. This is an all-in-one dropshipping platform where you can get your website created for you, preloaded with inventory, plus access to dropshipping suppliers to start working with, guys. And all you have to do is promote your business, and the suppliers will handle the shipping for you and ship the products out directly to your customers, whilst you sit back and make passive income. Okay, so check out dropshipfinds.com, guys, for those of you guys who want to sell physical products online, but you don't want to buy inventory in bulk, because let's face it, nobody has time to be packaging, fulfilling, and shipping out inventory every other day. You're trading your time for money. That's active income. If you want to do this passively, you want to look into dropshipping, where the supplier or the vendor handles all the inventory on your behalf whilst you sit back and make money. Okay, so you can see there's different websites here. If you wanted to start a children's website, you can just click on here, guys. Okay, you'll be able to see what the website looks like in real life, and then if you purchase this website, you're covered for an entire year, $3.99 for the entire year, guys. And it comes with your website design for you, it comes with your business name, I believe it comes with your logo design for you as well, and you're literally covered for an entire year. All these products on the website already are connected to the suppliers, okay, which means that if you purchase any of those websites, they'll come preloaded with the inventory ready for you to literally start making money. All you have to do is promote on social media and let the vendors ship these products out to your customers. Easy money, guys. Easy. Okay. Another platform you want to tap into is Amazon. How can I forget Amazon? Amazon is the largest e-commerce platform in the world right now, hands down. It's a billion-dollar industry, and it's no wonder its founder, Jeff Bezos, is one of the richest men in the world right now. So Amazon, you can make money on Amazon in so many different ways. You can self-publish your books on Amazon KDP. You can do Amazon affiliate marketing. You can do Amazon FBA, guys. There's even Amazon merch. Amazon has a merch, feature as well, where you can actually dropship merch on Amazon. So Amazon allows you to earn in so many different ways, guys. And I'm going to be doing different videos on how to make money on Amazon using different strategies. So do stay tuned for that as well, okay? And last but not least, funnelpire.com, our very own platform. This is an amazing platform for anyone out there who wants to create passive income and doesn't want to go through the stress of actually creating their own products or creating their own business from scratch. This platform comes with a done-for-you online business that you can literally just plug in, click on a button, and start earning commissions, okay? So at Funnelpire, we provide online training and education. So we provide lots of courses, more in-depth, okay? So if you guys love these videos that I'm sharing here, you're going to get even more in-depth courses and trainings at Funnelpire. So that's what we offer, is an online training and educational platform to help people start and grow their online businesses. Now, the way you make money with Funnelpire is you can literally come on board, join for free, okay, and start recommending this platform to other people. And if you make a sale, you earn anywhere from $100 to $300, guys. And even if you don't make a sale and you get a new lead that joins via this platform, so let's say you joined, for example, and you went out there and promoted this platform to a friend that, is interested in starting an online business, and they joined via your link, you actually get paid even if they don't buy anything. How powerful is that? A majority of companies, in fact, almost every company I know out there will only pay you money if you sell something, if you promote something, if somebody actually takes out their card and buys something from you. That's how it normally works, okay? However, with Funnelpire, we're actually paying you per lead. It's like saying thank you for bringing somebody new on board. Because why not reward our members, right? That's a great way to, motivate our members and actually reward them for their hard work, because going out there and bringing in leads is not easy, okay? So what we do at Funnelpire is we actually pay you per lead, even if those people don't buy anything just yet. Now, if they do go on to buy anything, you earn even higher commissions, okay? So if you're looking to earn passive income, doing affiliate marketing, promoting our products, using a done-for-you system that is built to convert, you even get your social media templates done for you, guys. Download and upload it to your Instagram, your Facebook, and let it do the selling for you. Okay? So if that's you right now and you're looking for a done-for-you system that you can plug in and start seeing results, check out funnelpire.com, guys. A great platform to earn passive income. And did I say it was free to join? Yep. You could join for free today, guys. Recommend this to someone else and actually make money the same day. Okay, by just bringing someone new on board. It's that simple. Okay. So I hope you guys found this video useful with regards to amazing platforms that can help you generate passive income online. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know below this video which of these platforms are your favorite, which ones are you going to try out, and which ones are you currently using right now to create income online. And as usual, feel free to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.